How to add and edit a FAQ page on your Shopify store. Simply click on Apps, then you're going to visit the Shopify App Store. And the app that we're going to be using is Help Center. Type that up in the search bar. See the option come up, we'll click on that. And I like to use one with a lot of reviews, good reviews. The ratings are high, so I'll be using the one with 4.8 star. As you can see, it's free, it's a free plan. Simply click on Add App. When you are doing it, you can watch these videos and they show you better how to edit it. But I'll be showing you the basic ways how to edit it also. The app is loading to your Shopify store. Install app. And the thing that I really like about this app is the template. It comes with a few ready-made templates that are easy to edit, and it's also easy to add to your store overall. And they are eye-catching. Alright, now we are in the app. You can see the options that it gives you: frequently asked questions, shipping, payment, and all of that. Returns and refunds, all of those policies. You can simply click on edit and set it the way you would like it and fill in the necessary information about your store and the policies that you plan to use.